issued a statement on that. It's an outrageous intrusion into our sovereignty. They have no business dictating on us on what we're going to do with suspected criminals in this country. All the issues they have raised from who? Reza and De Lima have been properly answered. The rule of law was followed relative to their cases. The judicial courts have found probable cause. That's why they're facing trial now. And with respect to the extrajudicial killings, we have already responded to that too. We said that this is the result of police enforcement people defending themselves against the lethal violence inflicted on them by the members of the illegal drug industry, or is a result of rivalry among the members of the syndicate, bots deals, and even swindling among themselves, as well as preemptive protective measures so that they will not be prosecuted when they're being pointed at by surrenderies. It's not state-initiated nor state-sponsored. Apparently, these senators have been fed with false narratives on these issues and naively believe hook, line, and sinker.
Pero, sir, despite all the explanations given by Malacanang and other government officials, it seems that some of the foreign officials don't hear you. What seems to be the problem? Is this parang, ano sinasabi nito when it comes dun sa pagiging effective ng messaging, sir?
It only means one thing. They don't want this administration if they're not listening to the explanation. There have been, because their attitude should be, if they want to know what is happening in this country, is to send someone to have an independent probe, or write us formally so that the government can respond properly to whatever issues or questions they want to be answered.
When you said they don't like this administration, what do you mean by that, sir? Bakit ayaw nila?
Because they believe in what the opposition and the critics say. And as we know, the Americans are known to be protector of violation of human rights, even if history shows that, as the president says, they're violators of the same.
Okay, may follow-up done? Other issues, Jeneline, follow-up.
So, sir, you're saying the government is open to a probe by the U.S. Senate?
Well, they can do it silently. I mean, Senate of the what?
U.S. Senate.
Of the senators themselves. So they really want to find out. Because if I were a U.S. senator, I would probably do some probing myself. I'm sure they have friends in the Philippines, friends in the media who are objective, not biased. People like you who are very objective sometimes. In other words, there are many ways of finding out the truth or the falsity of whatever narrative they receive in the U.S.
So, sir, they're welcome to visit the country and look into these cases.
Well, as I said, they can do it silently by just communicating, by just writing us on a particular issue, and we will respond. We can send them documents.
So for now, sir, you're not considering a diplomatic protest against
Well, I'll leave that to the Secretary of Foreign Affairs.
Okay.
But by just making a statement about that, it's already protesting on their intrusion. They have no business. They have enough problems for themselves. They have to focus.